What is up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here from MGMClassicCars.com, Addison, Illinois. And today I'm bringing you this new arrival. We just got this car in, 1966 Chevelle Malibu. I'm going to give you my thoughts and opinions on this car. First off, I love the color personally. It's got a gorgeous blue color. I believe that it originally came as a Marina blue car. I got it running so you guys can hear it right now. The engine is believed to be a 302 Chevrolet small block. It does have the stock four-wheel drum brakes, dual exhaust manifolds. Still got the points ignition system, I believe. Pretty standard. It's got American Racing torque thrust 15-inch wheels, white letter tires. Beautiful black interior. I mean, you can hear this thing, it's running great. It starts right up. I'm gonna run through everything that works. First off, show you the lights. Headlights and tail lights do, in fact, work. Show you your blinkers. Just giving you guys this so I can represent the car correctly. Your blinkers on the left side work, front and back. Passenger side as well. Give this thing a rev so you guys can hear it. And your heat also works. Try your wipers. Your wipers work as well. Horn it works poorly. Your center console here. Floor shift, automatic on the floor. You got your clock there. 3 gauges here, your volts, oil pressure, and your temp. It's got the original AM radio. It is inoperable. The interior's in pretty nice shape. Perfect color combo, blue with the black. I'm gonna go ahead and open the trunk for you. Paint shines nicely. I absolutely love this color. Let's go ahead and open this trunk. Trunk, nothing crazy in here. Floor is in good shape. Everything's in great shape here. And you got all your trim here as well. The back bumper shines beautifully. Let's go ahead and close this trunk. Get your Malibu badges. The doors open and close beautifully. Just look at that. Lines up beautifully. Body's nice and straight. Got 327 badges on the side. Probably what this car originally came with. And if you guys couldn't see, it is a convertible. So you guys could cruise top down. And the sun's out. Beautiful weather. Just go ahead and put this key back in the ignition. And the odometer reads 4,000 miles, which I'm sure it's rolled over at some time. Your back seat's in great shape. It does have a manual top, I believe. There's your ashtray, nothing in there. Windows roll up and down very nicely. Overall, really great example of a 66 Chevelle Malibu. If you want a convertible, this thing presents itself extremely well. I got pictures of the underneath on the website, the trim tag. Wing windows, of course. Just a nice, classy 66 Chevelle Malibu. If you are interested in this 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu convertible, please give us a call at 847-848-1850 or visit the website mgmclassiccars.com, Addison, Illinois. This car is located in our beautiful warehouse in Addison, Illinois. We have around 250 cars in stock that we own. Give us a call. Visit the website, MGM Classic Cars. We're open 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, Saturday 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., all by appointment only. We offer special financing with great monthly payments and shipping all over the United States, open and enclosed, bonded and insured. So stop on by, give us a call, visit the website, and let's get you the classic car that you've always wanted, because it's here waiting for you. And remember, folks, it sure looks good here, but it'll look a whole lot better in your garage. Thanks for watching, everybody. My name is Mr. Jenkins, and I hope you've had a good one, and I hope you've enjoyed my thoughts and opinions on this car. See you soon, everybody. Mr. Jenkins out. Have a great day.